Hey, it's Pat from EAS. So we are here in Queen Village preparing for some SYNLawn, which didn't get delivered, but this looked really nice, and it had kind of a slope over there that we had to take down. And Craig and Eddie did a really good job getting that set up. So it's supposed to rain, so hopefully it won't be hard. We can always recompact it. But this whole area is going to be fake grass, be like a 1 or 2 foot border around that. You put stones in there, and the slope is out that way. There is a drain over here, but we're going to have it slope that way. Put more stones out on the patio because this brick patio is not really that great. So anyway, we are all set. Looks really, really good. And we had a small layer. Well, there was a layer of modified, look like it's a very old backyard, and then we put, this is about a 1-inch layer of screenings. So we compacted the modified that was down currently because there was really nothing here, and you can see what most of these backyards look like. They're pretty beat up. So we compacted that down after we leveled it, and then we put the screenings on top from DNS up in Hunting Park, and then compacted that as well. So we're all set. We'll be back here probably in a day or two to put down the grass.